Good day, in this flag in 50 seconds we're looking at the Torres Strait Islander flag. Now, to start with, if like me you're not from Australia, the Torres Strait is an area located in the most northern part between mainland Australia and Papua New Guinea. This was the winning entry to a competition in the early 1990s and was designed by the late Bernard Namok from Thursday Island. The green panels signify the land, the blue for the sea, the black lines are the islander people, and the star is symbolic for sea navigation, while the 5 points are the main island groups. White is for peace, and surrounding this is the dhari, a dancer's headdress which represents the Torres Strait culture, of which the islanders and even those born on the mainland are very proud and protected of their history and heritage. This flag was officially first hoisted on the 29th of May 1992. The Torres Strait Islander flag of Australia. Hope you enjoyed this mini-series. Please like, share, subscribe to find out more about flags from around this globe of ours. Happy flagging!